Well, I understand you guys got a chance to golf together this weekend.
Yeah,
Yes.
Saturday at the Meadows Cup. Raised a lot of money for Easter seals. I need to tell you about Bob's last shot, our last hole. We're just off the green. He's describing to the pro how he's going to chip it in. You know, the technique and everything.
Okay.
He chips it in. He can right in the hole for the birdie.
Every once in a while, blind
It was
squirrel,
amazing.
gets in. Yeah, we had a great time out there, and obviously for a wonderful cause. I think 21 under won it.
Yeah,
Which was pretty good. Better players each year, too, but of course was in great shape. And here's another golfing picture that was sent into pics@mysuncoast.com. Can I play through? Large alligator to sun and him or herself out there at Pelican Point near Venice. John Scott sending this one in. I don't think many people are going to be doing any kind of practicing around that practice green with the big gator crawling on by there. And the Lakewood Ranch webcam showing clouds around this morning. A few showers may have interrupted some outdoor activities earlier this morning. Not much, just interrupted briefly. And then lots of sunshine this afternoon with some low clouds. Those are cumulus clouds hanging at the surface, and that's the result of the warm, moist air that's around. Your day planner looks to be a little bit cloudy tomorrow. We'll see clouds and a slight chance for a few showers and an isolated thunderstorm, not out of the question, but I think more showers. If we see any thunderstorms, it'll be inland pushing toward the east coast, and that's a result of a weak frontal boundary that's going to move on through. Highs tomorrow will still be near 80 degrees, and winds will pick up out of the northwest near the coast, right on the beaches, mid-70s there. Well, here's a look at the futurecast showing the rain tonight staying well to the east and pushing off into the Atlantic. Here comes the weak front. Stop the time for you, 3 a.m. A few light rain showers around or anticipated during the early morning hours, and then still some lingering, some clouds still hanging on. This is at 7:30 in the morning. We could have some fog around too. This is one model's depiction, so it could be a little bit later than that. But by 2 p.m., it's indicating skies clearing somewhat at times with some clouds now and again, and then maybe some residual showers anticipated on into Wednesday morning as another weak system moves on through. But all in all, it should be fairly quiet tomorrow. We're not looking at anything too significant, and then things really quiet down there. Currently, nice shot sent in by Sydney Desmond there of a lenticular cloud. 80 degrees. Currently, we have some sunshine and the humidity 81%, the barometer 2996, and that has been falling as of late. And 83 the high today, above average. 81 is our normal. 70, a very warm start to this morning. Temperatures currently right near the coast, mid-70s there because of the water temperature now into the mid-70s. But 80 in Palm Air, Rosedale at 81, Waterleaf at 82 degrees, and Lake Sarasota 80. The same in Laurel Oak and Venice now at 79. Plantation a couple degrees warmer. In Northport, you're right around there as well. The low pressure area continues to spin. This is an upper level low with a surface reflection, and it's moving off basically to the north and northeast. This low will eventually track and move off into the northeast United States tomorrow, bringing with it clouds, showers for those folks. This is another area of low pressure that is developing. This low will eventually dive down here, and by Thursday, it'll be near the lower Mississippi Valley, which will bring us another front. And that front will move in on Friday, but not much to it either. We'll see an increase in clouds on Friday with a chance for a few showers, and that chance isn't all that great at this point. Some snow falling in the Central Rockies anticipated, and you see that rain making its way up in the northeast on Tuesday and Wednesday. It's a real slow mover when it's an upper level low and not associated with the main jet stream. Has a tendency to move at will and not much. And winds out of the northwest for boaters tomorrow. A few showers are possible, especially in the morning, and a light chop on the bays and inland water. Seas running right around 2 feet. And we'll have a light chop, I think, for the rest of the week for waters. Now, as far as the forecast goes, 30% chance for showers on Tuesday, and then not much on Wednesday, less than 10% really. Another chance, as I mentioned, that front moves in on Friday, and it doesn't really cool us down much, just a little bit for a low temperature on Saturday morning. It looks to be a pretty nice weekend. We'll see lots of sunshine around. Temperatures rebounding quite quickly on Sunday, though. Back into the mid-80s we go with that humidity climbing back up. That rain chance at 30%, and there's a slight chance for an isolated thunderstorm on, looks like, Tuesday afternoon. Back to you.
Thank you, Bob.